Okay, guys, I want to tell you about this beautiful home that I just saw in Highland Park. It is beautiful. I am talking to my Northeast friends out there. If you are moving here or relocating from New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Massachusetts, any of those Northeast states, I just saw the most adorable family house. Stay tuned in the video. I'm going to talk all about it. It's amazing. Can't wait to tell you. Okay, so you guys need to tell me what you thought of that home. 3025 Westminster. It is Highland Park ISD. Here are the details. Built in 2006, 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, 3 half baths. Obviously, the pool is great. They've got the drop-down shades over the back patio, which make it really special. Gives you a little bit of privacy and shade, which is key in Texas. Also, the home has a full home generator, so you guys don't have to worry about any of those scary Texas storms. And then there are 2 built-in dog crates in the back portion of the kitchen. So for those of you out there that have some furry friends, they have built-in dog crates in the back pantry just behind the kitchen, but they can still kind of be a part of your family. So my thoughts on this home, it is 6,244 square feet. So it doesn't happen often when I see these homes, but as soon as I walked into the home, it just reminded me of the Northeast. So all the rooms are very separate. So if you have, obviously this is for a large family, there are 2 living spaces. There's a full basement that is very unique in Dallas. You can access it from the driveway. So I just envisioned a large family here, being able to have friends over, the kids coming over from the driveway, going down. They have a dartboard down there. The agent is Stephen Collins. He is in my Dave Perry Miller Park Cities office. He knows this family very well. He said they're super fun. It's an entertainer's dream. You can tell they did have a pool table down there. They still have the Boston Red Sox light that hangs above it. And as you can see, I featured in one of the videos, I think the somebody there is a Notre Dame fan too, so I'm talking to any Notre Dame fans. They have the wallpaper in the powder room in the basement. Everything about this home gave me a cozy feeling. Like I felt the family, I felt the memories. I feel like this home, for anybody relocating, if you're coming from the Northeast or from maybe Illinois or Indiana, where they have basements there where families go down and gather, you can play cards, watch football games. I just felt like it was just such a cozy home. It really spoke to me. So you guys might think I'm crazy, but for those of us that live in condos, when you see it and you feel it, it's really interesting. So anybody that's relocating here or you're looking for your perfect family home, this one just really spoke to me. I thought it was really special. And I just thought it didn't look like anything that I've seen that's kind of the newer stuff that's out there. It just felt very, I don't know, it just felt like memories. It felt warm to me. So anyway, give me your thoughts. Be sure and subscribe to my channel below, Kendall Travis with Dave Perry Miller Real Estate. I would love to represent you in the sale of this home or any other place that you might be looking for in Dallas. Okay, so I forgot to give you guys the price for 3025 Westminster. That is on the market for $3.775. So any of you large family people out there looking for Highland Park Independent School District, I think this one is so special. I think this home is ready for new memories with a new family, and anybody that loves to entertain and wants all the kids to gather at your house, or you have a large family and they have a lot of children, or it's just a great gathering place for lots of people. I just think it's a great home, very, very unique. And I look forward to representing you in your next purchase.